Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you 2 best ways to download videos from YouTube in 8K and less resolution. Enjoy watching! For the first way, write in Google FLYTER and then click on the first link. For the download videos, you need to copy the link from the video what you want to download, then paste them here. Finish! You can choose the resolution from Full HD to 140p, and if you want, you can download only MP3 file. For the second way, you need to write in a Google 4K video downloader and then go to the site. After that, download the software. Before we continue, I want to warn you that this software isn't free, and so you need to buy it to use more than 3 days. For faster download videos, we have Smart Mode. There, we can change the format, quality and turn off or on subtitles. In the main menu, we have Activate, Subscription, Preference and Help in the right side. Go to Preference. There, we have these settings. Now I'll show you how to download videos in this program. So, copy the video link and then simply click on the paste link icon. Now we can see this panel and there we can change our format and quality. Click download and simply wait the downloading. That's all. Now you have great video quality. Write in a comment your time zone or time when you're more comfortable watching my videos. Ask it this because it needs to realize my video at the most convenient time for you. This is the end of this video. I hope that it's helped you. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video with friends. Good luck and see you in the next one. До встречи!